don't even know what I'm talking about, eh? I don't even know. What's up, guys? Dave here, back again with another episode of Tech Unraveled. Today, on this episode, we got these guys. These are the EarFun Free Pros. For 59 bucks, these things have Bluetooth 5.2, active noise cancellation. There's 4 mics on here for crystal clear calls. They say crystal clear calls. We're gonna test that. 32 total hours of playtime, IPX5, USB Type-C. What more can he ask for? I don't know. I want him to be great. I want him to be good. So you know what we're gonna do today, right? We're gonna do an audio test, a mic test, an active noise cancellation test. We're also gonna do a latency test. We're doing all the tests. Make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you're ready to go because I'm pumped. I hope you're pumped. Let's do this. Let's go now. All right, here we go. The moment that you've all been waiting for. Not really. I'm just trying to amp you guys. Are you amped? Are you amped? So I just got home from work and I'm trying to get energized because I've been there all day. Now I do this. This for you. I like this. This is nice. Better sound, better life. You see that, guys? You see that? Let's see. How do we get further? So it's a little foam. I like the size of this case right off the bat. I can feel that it's very pocketable. Now the plastics do feel a little cheap. The weight of this feels a little light in my opinion. That's okay, right? Because we carry around a lot of different things in our pockets, so maybe light is good. I like a little extra weight, but that's okay. I'm gonna let you guys check them out first. Did not pass the lid test. You got yourself some USB-C action. I think these have wireless charging too. Let's see. And wireless charging. How about that? We got a little warranty information, our user guide, and then you have a plethora of ear tips, ear wings, and your USB-C to A cable. Now that we got everything opened, let's see how they feel. Let's see how they sound. Let's do what we do. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put these suckers in my ears and get them paired up. All right, so I just heard them say they're pairing, so I'm just getting into my Bluetooth settings right fast. There they are. EarFun Free Pros. So I got enough devices connected here. All right, so those are on. Let's go see how these feel. Definitely have a nice fit. Right away, there is a nice passive noise cancellation seal. It has definitely blocked out a lot of noises around me with just putting them in. So that's good. How you doing, Ted? Feeling all right today, pal? You ready for some tunes? All right, guys, go ahead and get your headphones ready. Put them on. Let's get this music started. Let's get it cranked all the way up. Here we go. Unexpected highs. Here's that bass. Come on, blow me away. Okay. Not bad. $59. I like. All right, guys, so what did you think of them? Let me know down in the comments below all your thoughts. Here's my initial impression. You ready? The highs are very nice. They're clean, they're crisp, they're clear. The volume is quite loud. The mids are very, very good. They're milky, they're smooth. The lows, I'm kind of a bass head. The lows are very tight. The bass is tight. It's punchy. It hits hard. It's not the kind that's going to vibrate your brain, but it's definitely there. It's definitely noticeable. It's nice. For 59 bucks, you really can't beat that. I'm impressed. I had low expectations. It is mic test time. All right, guys, this is the sound of my voice with the EarFun Free Pro. Let's go ahead and introduce that ambient noise into the background. Again, this is the sound of my voice with the EarFun Free Pros. How does it sound? Let me know. Everything down in the comments below. What we're gonna do next is an active noise cancellation test. I got the earbuds in TED. Now, there's no app on the phone to tell me if active noise cancellation is on, off, or in transparency mode, because there is 3 modes. A active noise cancellation normal, on, where it's going to start actively blocking ambient noise, and the third one is a transparency mode, so you can actually hear what's going on around you. Because I can't see it actually working on a phone via an app, I have to triple tap and hopefully I get it to work. So what I'm gonna do, if it doesn't work, you're gonna see a big message right here going across the screen in between my fingers, like so, saying that the test failed. Not sure why I'm still doing this, but I am. I have to tap 3 times on the left earbud to get it to work. Let the games begin. I'm gonna go ahead and start some ambient noise in the background.
Normal. Noise cancelling. Ambient sound. Normal.
Alright guys, so hopefully that worked. What'd you think of that? What'd you think of that, eh? What'd you think of it? Tell me down in the comments. I'm losing my mind. Alright guys, so you know what's next, right? Do you know? Do you know? It's latency test time. Let's do this. Let's do it now. Let's get started with the latency test. Alright guys, here we go. Latency test on the EarFun Free Pro. And there you have it. That was the EarFun Free Pros. What'd you think overall? How was that latency test? How was that audio test? How was the mic test? Let me know everything. Let me know what you think, guys. Is it worth 59 bucks to you? I think the audio portion, I haven't gone back and listened to the mic yet, but I think the audio is definitely a great value. Anyways, that's what I have for you today. If you like this video or I helped you in any way, smash that thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe and hit the bell. That way you get notified of my next video. I'll talk to you in the next one.